Ooh, it's a hair thingy. Uncle Michael, you need this?
No, those are.
Holy crack cocaine. Look at that. I doubt anything, but still gonna look. It's the hair dryer.
Personal paperwork. Hashtag don't take it personal. Certificates, diplomas. We've got books, idiots, creative writing, paperwork. This is sellable. This is all sellable. This is a $7 box here, maybe 12. That's personal paperwork, Uncle Mike.
No, it's not.
Oh, I could have swore I
That
saw.
one folder
Yeah,
is
this
this
one little folder right there is personal. One more pair of Jordans or Nikes. We're getting there. I'm almost right.
Yeah, I just bought some of these the other day.
3 pairs. One more pair for me to be right. Are these Jordans too?
7-1. No, those
No.
are like LeBron.
We don't like LeBron. We throw LeBron Jamesons away.
I only have one Griffey.
One Griffey.
These are hella nice.
Those are hella nice.
Hecka nice.
Hella hecka nice. Mecca lecca high, mecca lecca hiney ho.
Oh, the other one. Alex, you almost biffed it the other day when you stepped down off that thing.
What thing?
You know, that video last night or something? You stepped off of it?
Yeah, he almost fell.
Yes.
What thing?
When he got off the dresser and the dresser almost rolled over.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he did it on
Came
purpose.
down kind of hard.
He's a stunt man.
Stuntman.
He's stunting like a habit.
Stunting like a habit. Get like me. Stunting like a habit.
Stunting
Get like
is a
me.
habit.
Have you ever seen a Cadillac with 75 doors? It's nice. All pillows and blankets.
Pillows and blankets. That's a $4 box. Hashtag come on jewelry box. What? Hashtag who puts nothing in a box like this?
Man, look at what they did.
12 years a slave. That sounds like my first relationship.
Oh,
Boom.
that's deep.
It's deep. How many dollars is there?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can we show them each title? Can we name them off?
Rock Band. Sports Championship.
Pure.
Pure. Sing it.
iPad.
Pure.
Pure.
I must really like Pure.
Who doesn't? Hashtag Alex must have got some sleep last night. He's a little bit agile on his feet.
No, what's that Red Bull I just killed?
Usually those put you to sleep.
Wish I had my knife in it and use it.
Come on, Uncle Michael. We don't cuss.
Just worked the other day, Uncle Mike.
We are no longer cussing, Uncle Michael.
All right.
Instead of cussing, you say beep, beep.
We have changed our.
You guys been beeping for a couple
We have
beeping
changed
days.
our ways to.
Holy beeping crap.
Look at that, a $9 box.
No, it's not a 9.
Well, yeah, but you don't you want to return those? Hashtag don't take it personally. Break it.
It don't break, it's metal. That's dude who was here when I bought the last unit. About the 2 people pulled up. That's what
Okay.
let's see what's there. Oh, those are
I have it
the
on following your hands, but your hands move too fast.
Kind of like my feet.
Or your mouth.
No, I'm on my feet.
follow my hand.
It's not, it's following, it keeps going with the.
Look at those. Those are actually kind of in right now.
They are.
Yeah, she was kind of big, huh? Hashtag what is
Hashtag what happened? Break a nail? Ooh, he broke a nail, ladies
I
and
didn't break it
gentlemen.
now.
Ready to go get a
Those are
pig?
mine.
I hit
Those
the
are
corner
mine.
of the box right here and it
Those are mine.
freaking gave me a paper cut underneath my nail. Ooh, those are lovely.
You can go get a petty now. You did.
We got a brand new piece of clothing.
You think
These
those-
will fit Michael.
Okay, those will fit Michael too.
No, those
Online?
ain't.
These are the do-rag.
You said she's overdue for what?
She's letting her nails grow.
No.
Alex likes long toenails when he's in bed at night for him to scratch them out.
Scratch my back with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we do that.
saw me get mine the other day. She said, I was due for one. Let Alex know.
Ooh, you know that one thing?
So far, this is turning out to be slightly deceiving.
You know that one sport? What is it called?
I don't know, but I saw a meme today that said this person is doing a really good job dancing with their Walgreens receipt, and it was doing that.
Was he?
But it was just a chick with one of those things, but they called it a Walgreens receipt.
What is that sport called? I forgot its own name.
Dancing?
Dancing. That's right. That's what it was. I was kind of interested in.
Hashtag. Hashtag throw up emoji.
That was ugly. Man. This is shaping out to be a good stocking run.
The beauty of our job, we make our own rules. We don't have to do it tomorrow. We can do it another day, and we can just do other things.
Yeah, load up.
If Uncle Michael can get all this unit in there, we'll be in good shape.
Can you get this whole unit in there, Uncle Mike? Those are nice.
He's not loading tight.
He's not loading tight, huh?
Okay.
I think we're working too fast.
We're mine. I'm gonna bring
I
this
just
out
heard him say
tomorrow.
when I started loading it.
Load it
Still
tight.
put it in here and we got.
We changed our plan just like that, Uncle Michael. Come on, some gold. Not pens.
Air mattress, huh?
I could use one of those.
Air mattress? I don't know what's in there.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, he did just smell the jar. And he broke everything. The whole unit's a wash.
It's all over. He broke the whole unit. Well, there goes the Wii games.
We.
2 more.
And some glasses.
Okay. What do you think? Box.
Dibs. Dibs.
What do you learn to write?
No, my
Kids.
my
Kids?
daughters will.
All right.
Especially my little one. She's in that age.
That's good.
Maybe I just put them back in there.
That's $10?
Yeah.
All right. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. $10. Ooh. Can you bring some lunch on this tomorrow? Some chips.
I was looking forward to that breakfast. Here you go, Mike. Protein drinks.
It's meat. That's
brand new water.
That's carnivorous based.
It's brand new. I'm drinking that right now.
It's like an $18 water right
This is
there.
lemonade.
$5.
I'll have that out.
The stuff's, I mean, it's decent, like, as far as taking care of stuff.
Did I just dip this whole box, dude?
I don't care what you do.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to. These are all cleaners and tons. You need something to drown, Mike?
I got plenty of that stuff. I'm only using LED bulbs. I only use all for my clothes.
There you go. You better start dipping. I'm dipping this box.
I've been looking for a chair for the middle of my living room in front of the couch. That's not good enough.
It's nice when you wipe it down.
It's not that it's not good if it's
Soft
too
leather.
small.
How far? But I'm telling you, small little ones like this. Oh, be the comfiest.
You just got one of those the other day. How's yours working?
Oh, it's kind of stiff when you sit in it, but when you lay it back.
I heard you like it stiff.
Hey, this is pretty cool.
All right.
You want me to record you for a while?
No.
You want camera time? Slow down, Killer. I gotta make little videos.
Do this together. Might not be today, but if we all focus on gold coins, it's gonna happen.
I paused it. Oh.
No.
Oh, here he goes, Uncle Mike.
No.
Here he goes, Uncle Mike. He's starting. Get him,
No, I
Uncle
don't
Mike.
want
He's
to.
starting early.
Why would I want to?
Hold on, I gotta adjust the people real quick. Hold on, Mike. Wait, how do I turn the camera back around on me?
Stick that right there now, Mike, in the hole.
Hold on a second. We gotta get a footage of it. Got some good furniture for me. Uncle Michael, I want to tell you you're doing a good job. I want to, I just can't. Wow, I wonder how much you haven't been
That whole
recording.
time I haven't. All right, now I'm recording.
Wow,
I got a bunch of nonsense footage, though.
we have no
We
footage.
just lost a lot of footage,
You
dude.
just lost like half the footage. Magic. I want that. That's what the secret. Rhonda Bynes wrote the secret.
All right, sorry guys, but we missed that much of the trailer because Mike. It's my fault. It's my fault. I'm gonna take responsibility.
Accept responsibility. It's one of the most powerful things you could do in this world.
I lost a lot of footage first. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to redo it when we get to the flea market. Uh-oh, we might have gift cards in there. You never know. Oh, that's pretty dope. It's a nice one. It's pretty thin. No, grab it. Don't just leave that in that box. Someone's gonna take that.
Exactly.
iPods are better the thinner they are. I don't know why they got better over time. There it is. Thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. See, that's one of the messed up things when we left our camera woman. She knows how to work this better than us. It's a nice dresser. Pretty nice.
Camera woman upset me, so I gave her the day off.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. She deserves it. She's a hard working camera
No,
woman.
she's in trouble.
Let's not speak of things.
We're not going to discuss it.
Yeah. Kayla, I still love you.
I'm undecided right now.
How you gonna be undecided if you love your own kid?
She's on my shit list right now.
I don't know if I love you or not, but I'm gonna think about it over the day.
Thinking about it. Almost jewelry.
Almost true.
Calculator watch.
She got a lot though for the what you call it? You know how we do it.
Yeah.
Those are nice. Those are nice.
Dream big.
Dream big.
Dream.
Mac.
Mac, a very expensive store. One thing that's nice about being single, you get cheap. You don't got to go shop at Mac all the freaking time. Costs a lot of money going in that damn store. What we going in there? Nothing's cheap.
Was that the very first where them watches you put on? Go.
I can't believe you did either.
That might be a good idea though, because I kept pausing it. You can play all the pause.
You got it.
This is where Alex messed the footage up. Voss water.
Voss. Jesus Christ.
The bedroom set.
Good sellers tomorrow.
It's a bedroom set.
We got 2 good bedroom sets and a good couch set in here. Polo Sport. Good luggage.
It's a nice luggage. Wallet. Oh, look at that.
Hashtag $6.
Hashtag, look at that. I'll give you $6 for those because I know you don't like
I
$2
burn 'em.
bills.
I don't burn them. It's illegal, but I want to burn them.
Let's burn them.
$15 iTunes, Walmart, Batman, Dave & Buster's, Ugly Babies.
Hey. No babies are ugly.
baby.
Hey.
I'm not going to show you this photo because we're on camera and we can't be that personal. But it was an ugly baby.
Hey, hold on. What'd you say? There was an ugly baby?
Yeah.
Found him.
No sheet. Socks.
Man, I was doing my best camera work too when that happened. I was zooming in and
I'm trying not to talk to you right now.
you have no choice but to talk to me.
I'm not. I do have a
Hey,
choice.
you know what a good thing is? Forgiveness in this world.
What is that?
What is that?
Oh, something I practice doing every day of my life. Forgiving people.
Hey, poor guy.
No.
You know me?
I'm thankful.
I say beep and she could keep beeping on. Mother beeper.
This is all nice
This
clothes.
is very vibrant clothes. I wish it was guys' clothes. 'Cause
Very
These are
bright.
all my colors right here.
All his
Nice
colors.
clothes.
All his colors. See, try it on.
I don't think I could.
Try that on. Uncle
Can
Mike.
we get somebody to come out here and try this on for us, please?
What was
Anybody?
that? Yeah, you guys gonna come try it on?
Anybody? Come on, Mary.
Uh-oh, Uncle
Show
Mike.
us a little something,
Uncle Mike
Mary.
is not your girl anymore. We know who your girl is now. We know whose girl she is.
Jim's.
Jim's taking her from you. Poor Uncle Mike, you've been sad lately. You know we still failed to auction off a toothpick.
He doesn't know that I was over there the night before he was. I saw his Rolex sitting on the nightstand. I just left it.
Did you? Would have hawked it.
Tornado.
Is that a shark?
Yep. This
Alright.
one really sucks.
That's it for
Is it?
kitchen. That's
This
a
one
mop.
sucks with heat.
And it sprays. It spits.
It spits.
It sucks and spits.
Woo!
It's a good vacuum there.
This is hardwood floors. Is it a slipper?
Oh yeah, we got Robin Hood in the flesh.
Uncle Michael, it's not So you're gonna put a pad down. We can put this on its end right there.
Oh, I might just take it home.
This is the beautiful dresser we just found in here. It's not bad. Did we check the drawers or no?
They're empty.
Here goes the jewelry.
Warning. Exercises causes happiness. 3 bikinis. Will you try these on?
See if they fit Uncle Michael.
Legs, panties.
What's the boxes?
What do you got here? Probably a coffee cup is my guess. God, it hurts. It really does.
This man knows a lot. That's a juicer, actually. What is that, a waist trainer?
Slimmer belt.
It is a waist trainer.
There
Yeah.
it goes.
$10 at Didi's.
Women's laxative.
Why? What's the difference between men's and women's laxative?
I don't know. Ask Uncle Michael.
Uncle Mike, did they give you any laxative after your doctor's appointment?
No, you gotta drink some stuff before.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if this one's gonna
I'm
fit
not
me,
gonna
but
put
it's
you on
brand
with
new.
that. This guy's tripping right now.
I think it's a little big for me.
He thinks
but
it's his color.
definitely brings out the color in my eyes.
Does it?
It's already on down there.
Hey, hold on a second. Wait. Let me look under here for freaking spiders.
You guys are witnessing 2 of the best in the
You already
business
looked
right
in the
now.
drawers?
Why am I going first?
You already looked in the drawers?
2 of the best in the business when it comes to moving.
Come on. One of us is the best. One of us is the second best. I'll let you guys choose by that area right
I
there.
can tell you which one is.
You know what's next? On the bottom of this picture, you are going to see a number or maybe even an internet link. If you need any move jobs, we got you. I'll be the cameraman while they move. Just can't be afraid to be on film. We're taking this worldwide.
What?
Feet to the wall, feet to the wall.
I
shouldn't
guess
have a
you are
problem.
number 1 because he's having trouble.
And they were on drugs.
They were on drugs. No, they weren't. Some people just have prescriptions to them.
Albuterol.
I want dibs.
Blue.
Oh no, that's soft. I don't like soft toothbrushes. Olay.
Ole!
We got some boards for the bed.
You say horse for the bed?
Yep. Pinstripes.
I'm loading right on all this shit. I ain't moving.
Jeans.
Are you listening to him? Because I'm
No, I didn't hear nothing. You just
I'm
said.
damn
I heard
good.
something. I heard womp womp
Womp, 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 womp.
womp womp. Hey, that's
said-
in. Those are in.
I'm loading
No,
right
I would like to
on
find somebody to wear this for me.
Those are in, dude. I'm
That's
telling
about
you,
my
those are in.
size right there.
Those are in. Hold it still. I'm gonna do my excellent camera work, man, right now. Hold it still. Hold it still. Right there.
Your
There
wife,
you
Alex.
go.
If you could fit in this,
Look at that. She might like it. What size
Hit
is
me
it?
up.
Like?
settle down. It's a
Size.
1X. That is not a 1XL.
That's way too big. My wife's extra small. Shout out my wife.